Okay, on today's video I'm going to show you how to make up a compression joint on a piece of copper tube using a 22mm elbow. So to make the joint up, to dismantle the joint, and if you notice, I'll run through what's part of the joint. We've got a nut, we've got an olive, or sometimes it's called a ferrule, and that then goes into the female part of the elbow. So you've put the ferrule or the olive onto the piece of pipe. You apply some jointing compound on the wall of the pipe. In particular, I've used some Boss White, but depending on the application for the pipe, so if you're using potable water, then you'd need to use a Boss Blue or something like that. But this is going to be some central heating, so Boss White is fine. So I've applied the jointing compound to the wall of the pipe, and now you slide it into the fitting and just do the nut until you find it bites, and then we'll do the other side. Okay. So again, hand tighten those until they are tight, and then we need to use a pair of spanners, an adjustable water pump pliers and an adjustable spanner to tighten the joint up. So I'm going to hold against myself with the adjustable spanner and then tighten the joint up. Now what you do is normally tighten it about 3/4 of a turn after you've reached the biting point of the nut and the olive. Again, that's hard. But again, tight. Keep turning it until you feel it's nice and tight. Okay, so that is the joint made up. And what I'll do, I'll just dismantle the joint so that you can see what's actually happened to the copper tube. So the action of tightening the joint has compressed the olive onto the piece of pipe, and as such it doesn't now slide off. So that's how the joint makes it waterproof. Okay, so that ends today's tutorial on how to make up a compression fitting on a copper pipe.